my girl so rare. Cruising in our CanAm Spyder so true, through the curvy roads in a sky so blue. Eastern PA calls with its hills so high. Western PA answers under the sky. Sun above and the open air. Hand in hand, there's no need to choose. Just me, my girl, and I Spyder blue. Setting out on our adventure, feeling free, riding through the hills where the wild winds beat. Blue CanAm shining in the light, country roads are calling day and night. Mountains standing tall so high, rolling hills beneath the sky. Perfect picture painted clear, every moment brings us nowhere. Oh, the open road, it sings to me, through the valleys, wild and free. Pennsylvania sky so wide, with you right here by my side. Sunset colors fill the air, golden moments we both share. Engine humming like a song, taking us where we belong. Rivers flowing soft and slow, feel the green begin to glow. Every turn a new surprise, sparkling bright in our eyes. So the open road, it sings to me, through the valleys, wild and free. Pennsylvania sky so wide, with you right here by my side. Oh, the open road, it sings to me, through the valleys, wild and free. Pennsylvania sky so wide, with you right here by my side. Just a little ride through the hills of PA, our bodies baking in the summer sun. We're so glad you're riding with us today. This trip is dedicated to a bun run. Gotta get the buns for the burgers tonight, before the grill gets hot and the shadows grow long. We're chasing the curves where the valley looks bright, just rolling pavement and humming a song. Who knew a quick errand for burger buns could turn into the best part of the day? 'Cause a burger ain't a burger without the bun. It's just a patty if you like it that dang. Up the motor, the bakery's inside. We've got a hunger that's ready to feed. A good burger, the fixings and fresh warm buns. This bun run was all we'll need. Who knew a quick errand for burger buns could turn into the best part of the day? 'Cause a burger ain't patty if you like it that day.
I forgot to put the whoozy whatsy on the whatsy whoozy, so my bad.
Okay, set the video to a different view.
Of the day.
I know it's gonna make a difference. I put it to L plus.
Burger without the bun. Just a party.
We don't know what this is gonna do, but we forgot to.
I forgot. I wasn't taught to, so it's not my fault.
I was taking responsibility for it because I didn't notice it. On our first one, we missed putting the receiver hooked up to the GoPro for the mics. So now we got it. And here's the con, it's doing good.
Oh yeah, and today's Tuesday, the 14th of July. It's 90 degrees.
Yeah.
It's hot. We're on a bun run, and yeah, thank you to all our subscribers, and thank you for
All the
your
comments.
comments, your thumbs up. We need the likes, the reviews. Absolutely.
It's a nice day so
It's
far.
hot. It's hot. I don't care what he says.
A butterfly. There's some squiggly roads up here. Gotta pay attention. I think this is where it got washed out. Oh, they must have fixed it. A quick patch.
Yeah, because this is upper midline.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
they fixed it. This got swamped pretty bad.
Yeah. You can see all the leaves and everything that's attached to it.
Wow.
All the broken trees.
That bridge got hit pretty hard. This is a squiggly road. I should have turned on the video sooner. Wow. A crick.
A crick.
It's nice. Nice in the shade.
Yep.
This is cool.
Farmland.
Yes, it is.
As far as the eye can see.
They have their own little village here. They wanted a blue tin on their windows.
Yeah.
Wowee. I didn't know what road we're on. I'm not going to look down at the GPS to see where we are. Okay, we're going downhill at Putneyville, and this got one heck of a hairpin turn in it. This is pretty neat road, and the store over here got the best buns in town, all homemade. Okay, here's the hairpin turn. Yeah, we did it. It's even better going up. And another hairpin turn. A double switchback. Putneyville. Little village. And a narrow bridge. Ooh.
They don't look like they're open.
And there's the store.
And they're closed.
No.
Go straight. All right. We'll find out.
Maybe not. I don't know. We'll see.
Honey, it's dark. The shades are down. Closed due to a family emergency.
Oh, okay.
Okay, well,
On to the next, I guess. That looks good. And there's plenty of corn. Corn to the right, corn to the left.
lots of corn.
Yes. Whipplewell Road.
Thank you for riding with us today, making memories that won't fade away. Miles keep rolling me and you. Don't forget our Spyder named Blue. Side by side through the sun and rain. Every moment feels the same. If the wind, our hearts stay true. Always me and you in blue. Laughing loud with the sky so wide. Adventures calling from every side. Through the curves, the road shines new. Guided by
It's a
trusty
beautiful
blue.
shot ride we had today.
Yeah, Bun Run.
Through the sun and rain.
We've always seen three deer.
Yeah.
Two ran in front of us.
Our hearts stay true.
Thanks for coming along, and we thank our subscribers. And don't forget, leave us a comment, thumbs up, let us know what you think, and like, share, do all of the above. Because hit that like button, and if this is your first time, please subscribe.
Side by side through the sun and rain, every moment feels the same.